Pemak kalapan pa kakat kena terik mata ubnai. Bakan turbik sepok sekretariat bandawa ban thungkam yang yake langut ki officer juga lok ayukta. Kasang Voice of the People Party pok ka jenglam jong uba adan mila basama u president bak ka jengkat lu baru ki MLA bak ki pat kinongilam joka seng Contempt yu Dr. Ricky Sengkan Bang General Secretary bak cross party tathyang u balong treasurer bat ki de kinongilam. Kilatur sepok sekretariat nilai haswa ban poi jengka additional secretariat hajan ke office jangka BSNL ki Pulit ki labat no ki hakate ke jaka lai mai kalian jangka Pulit dan ki magistrate lajan lo SPCT uba Vivex IM bat ki di ki Pulit ki blaking aktiar bat ki melara abha ki jinyada hai ke jinya tur kalau ke cek pen ka sipor pen ki ngalam jangka VPP bat komjur nak kalian jangki Pulit bat hakan ni ke jinya tur ke jinya kursumat jangki niki aliang mamla lai osngo ba adan mila basai mat ula ong ya uba Vivek don't treat us like boys. Lani, bibi kuat pelong yang ikom ki kena. Hari kata nak kalian cukin ngelam jangka sang VPP, kila sang klaim mengono aka jaka kabadan hajan additional secretariat kabab pengken mau. Ya kan dikasnem ka beladap aka bagi ngelam jangka VPP kila pelong ya ka jing syatkan ka jing yaki hakate ka jaka hakapor bagi dawa man penbahana ban review ya ka state reservation policy.
We are elected representatives. There's a privilege. Please. You convey this. I've already instructed the district, the magistrate, you convey that this is unlawful. It is a contempt of court, yes. It is a contempt of court. The Supreme Court has clearly stated in 1967 that you cannot invoke Section 144 CRPC just to prevent a legitimate... No. Come here. Please, one number saying. Please. Unlawful. You convey this. I've already instructed the district, the magistrate. You convey that this is unlawful. It is a contempt of court. Yes, it is a contempt of court. The Supreme Court has clearly stated in 1967 that you cannot invoke Section 144 CRPC just to prevent a legitimate... No. Please, one number saying... This is what you want to talk to us. Kren, you must straight. He just called me. Unless what will you ask? Just give order to fire and lathi charge. That is what you are waiting for. The way you are preparing. Never.
You will not allow. Our future is at stake here.
We want to show to the world that as a party, the leaders will take the front lead. Just to prevent the legitimate
Until or unless there is law and law and order problem.
It will not create any problem. We will take care of that.
Last
Last time when we had the protest here, Is there any public inconvenience that we have? No.
บรรลุsupport
Oh, bandung support hot. Bandung support ngin sajid ni la pandai tangan buat layut.
tangan ni ko personal balik ang strike team ko
Ngang ada train you magistrate and if we are not allowed to go there, we will not go there to talk to the government for. We are the members only. We will instruct. Read our statement, read our letters, then you will understand our mind. And we will not allow to be we will not be caught down by this uniform. They can kill us, but they cannot kill our spirit. Yes! You can beat us, black and blue. We will not fight back, but one day we will come back victorious. You apply your mind. You know the law. You have to go by the law, Vivek. So when you know that the law, when the magistrate is issued an unlawful direction, do you expect me as an elected leader, educated leader to abide by it? It is unlawful. You violate. You can contest. You contempt the court. It is there, clear.
144 is always promulgated as a preventive measure.
Listen to me. I will explain to you better. I will explain to you better. What is 144 CRPC? It can be found in the chapter 10, part C of the Code of Criminal Procedure, right? What does it say? In cases of urgent nuisance and apprehended danger. So, have you apprehended that we will create danger for the state?
Sir, first of all,
Okay, nakataka a district magistrate, a sub-regional magistrate, or executive magistrate, in his opinion, there is sufficient ground. Kita buat pihak penselingkuh minyak ni kan lumut. Beli pima apa nak? Kita pun dah swell fight tak sibit. You want the fight on poi sibit lagi ke port ban poi. Will you issue firing the fight tak poi? Beli pim syai pengingat bahkan kutno. Beli pim syai mentah yang ini dan kindiat pengin lek yang teh pengin room di beri room kita up kindiat kelap nak hangnu no, it doesn't matter. But don't stop us like that. It is an insult for us because we are policymakers, we know the law. It doesn't mean that we can force to select the government. Apply your mind. 144 CRPC, just to prevent legitimate expression of opinion and grievances. We are expressing our legitimate grievances where the government has removed those options from the Lokayukta, an institution which has been brought to contain corruption, to deal with corruption.
sir, banyak kali kata Jingïania itu official law kata sa kadang nagaway kalat sa as a respected.
You tell me what is kaya katagalan?
Kalat sa pinlap ni kendo in a peaceful way na.
Oh, this is violent. Is this violent?
Ngapon yung violence sa. Nung violent, balumbriyo, bayubumbriyo, bayilit nung tak kalau nada sa kadang ni happy.
Kita kalau tepiniin. Hey, kita kalau nada.
Asni Friday bawan honorable Home Minister. Kumakutos ni sa kami kios bagi mi ba kipre.
You mean to send a message to Delhi that everything is fit and fine in Meghalaya when the state is becoming the poorest state in the northeast? Yes, everything is fine.
Partai social media sa kamdon chu beri.
Kamdon chu beri.
Partai social media sa partai internet kamdon chu beri sa. Barang itip.
Darab jot ya kata kecilong Meghalaya.
Reh ju upor because of internet tang itu Jingïania haga Friday ru pasen wrong message negative message yang si belong plenary committee jo kan isi.
Kadon kam kabha
Bagi lebih oleh Ardent dengan send wrong message. It's a right message, not a wrong message.
Wrong message. Kadang right message. The central leadership should know the truth. Mendai ban sudarab jot repair di surok tang perbuan ke central leadership. Ka tarong ka igidukan.
So all those issues
We cannot afford to tolerate this kind of hypocrisy.
Itu baru issue lah.
You
are a representative. You can raise that issue through a personal meeting, through a courtesy meeting with the.
Who are you to explain me how to raise? You think I don't know? Know your limits. We know. You just do your job. If you are instructed to arrest us, you arrest. If you are instructed to lathi charge us, you do that. Then you will see. And I will see who has the courage to put a first stick on our bodies.
nhưng đó là sơ bằng ông sao bằng show
Of our voice
We are here to escort you, sir. Please, can you, sir? We've allowed you here. Can you, sir? Please.
Bantri ba ni kung paano
Please,
okay.
please, sir. We know that. We have allowed you here, sir.
Long live! Long live! PDP, long live! Long live! Long live! PDP, long live! Long live! Long live! Down, down, MDA! Down, down, MDA! MDA, down, down! Down, down, MDA! MDA, down, down! Down, 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 down! Long live! PDP! Long live! PDP!
You apply your mind. You know the law. You have to go by the law, Vivek. So when you know that the law, when the magistrate is issued an unlawful direction, do you expect me as an elected leader, educated leader to abide by it? It is unlawful.
sir
You violate. You contempt the code. You contempt the code. It is there, clear.
144 is always promulgated as a preventive measure. Pentelat penyegahan penunu di rasa. Tadi kan preventive
I
measure.
will explain to you better. I will explain to you better. What is 144 CRPC?
Sir?
It can be found in the chapter 10,
Yes, sir.
part 3 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, right? What does it say? In cases of urgent nuisance and apprehended danger. So have you apprehended that you will bring danger for the state?
Sir. Sir, for the world.
Okay, nakatagadaw.
Nakatagadaw.
A district magistrate, a sub-regional magistrate or executive magistrate, in his opinion, there is sufficient ground. Kita bubut pihak penseluruh niatnya ni kan lumut. Beli pima mana lah pihak pun dah swell pai ba sibit. You want the pai ba on poi sibit lari ke port ban poi. Will you issue firing pai ba lah poi beli pim sya ni begini mentah. Bahkan kutno beli pim sya mentah yang ni dang don tang pindiat bangin lek yang teng bangin rung ni bedi ban rung kita ap pindiat bila mana panguh no, it doesn't matter. But don't stop us like this. It is an insult for us because we are policy makers, we know the law. It doesn't mean that we don't force to select government. Apply your mind. Apply your mind.
Sangut Indonesia.
Sangut. Banyak keren untuk office. Bila banyak tang art tang lain. It depends hangi tu. Yang sarai menu banyak cepat banyak keren. Dari penginya nang ni katu udang kendiat pelaj. Mandal abun sibit. You will have to take the
Long
responsibility.
ni sir. Tol.
You have to
Kini
take the
kayak sikam
responsibility.
ni minyak sikam sir. Ya jadi sekan semua. Kini duduk lagi minyak di mana nak hadiah di madam tu. Ini ya.
Hangi ni. Ini kita mau pergi sama magistrate.
Hanya lah lampu hukum ni semua.
Kita mau pergi magistrate dah mengiat. We are not under you. No. We will not.
We don't know kemudian.
We will not go. We will not go and we will not move from here. Kosong api. Ni. Minum ni nang ni. Minum ni rekan ni government. Because we are not allowed to go. Antara mentah yo magistrate berfon menginum lagi. Tell the minister don't wait for us because we are not allowed.
Belum sangut.
Sanggup siapa ni kami keren ni ke siapa? Abang lah batai pi ke an. Indai tamu pi ke betip an. Kamu tang pi ong ban sule ke an mentah ben Shuh. Khlem sutu ya ke an ni le.
Misuse of section 150.